Hello Stampers, and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Today I'm sharing with you the True Love Designer Series paper reveal. This is a 12 by 12, as you guessed it, black and white designer series paper. This is in the Stampin' Up! January to June mini catalog in the Love You Always suite. I love black and white because I feel like it's so classic and perfect with any pop of color, but you can also color this paper so many different ways. You can use the new blending brushes. You can of course color it with Stampin' Blends, watercolor pencils, markers, or any other coloring tool of your choice. Or you can always leave it black and white for that classic look. I'm going to go through each piece of the designer series paper so that you can see the full pattern and the full spectrum of the designer series paper rather than that little swatch that's in the catalog. So I'm going to go through each one. I want you to pick out your favorite one and let me know what it is in the comments below, and I'll share with you my favorite at the end. Okay, so did you pick out your favorite one? I have to say one of my favorites is either the white polka dot or this black and white stripe here at the end. So this one, and of course the white with the black polka dots, because I just feel like it's so classic. But then I also think I will do some coloring with this one. So I think that will be fun. It's just got a very bold flower, so coloring just one of them to spot, highlight it would be super, super fabulous. You know I'm not an extreme colorer, so some of these other ones make me a little bit more scared. I might do some blending and add color all over, but I don't think I would be doing individual coloring of something like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this designer series paper reveal and got a better look at the True Love designer series paper from the Stampin' Up! January to June mini catalog. Don't forget I have an entire playlist of all the designer series paper reveals for the January to June mini catalog as well as the celebration brochure. Both the celebration and the mini catalog start on January 5th, so you can start earning those or purchasing those on the 5th. Don't forget to check out my blog for great inspiration and ideas for stamping and paper crafting. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you next time. Happy stamping. Bye!